characteristics of chemijolson. Here we will discuss characteristics of chemijolson. First is high specificity, irreversible, surface area, and enthalpy of adsorption. So there are four characteristics of chemijolson. First is high specificity. That is highly specific in nature. It occurs when there is a possibility of formation of bond between adsorbent and adsorbate. It occurs only when there is possibility of formation of bond between adsorbate and adsorbate. It is highly specific due to formation of bonds between adsorbate and adsorbate. It occurs when there is possibility of formation of bonds. So, if there is no chance of formation of bond, so chemijolson will not take place. Next is irreversible. It is irreversible. It is irreversible because during this process mostly they form compound. They form compound. Here, it is irreversible in nature. It is exothermic in nature, but process is very slow at low temperature because of high energy of activation. Due to high energy of activation, the chemijolson is very slow at low temperature. It increases with increase in temperature. Means as we increase the temperature, chemijolson will increase. Means chemijolson is irreversible. Sometimes it has been seen that in starting the process is physijolson, but high temperature increases, that change into chemijolson. So you remember it. At some point, the same reaction may be, same absorption may be physijolson, at high temperature may be chemijolson. Here, it is reversible due to what? What is the reason? Why it is reversible at low temperature? Due to high energy of activation. Next is surface area. So, in surface area, you may see chemijolson increases with increase in chemijolson increases with increase in surface area, with increase in surface area. Chemijolson increases with increase in surface area. Last is enthalpy of adsorption. The enthalpy of adsorption for chemijolson reaction is very high. That is 82 to 240 kilojoule per mole. 82 to 240 kilojoule per mole. It involves bond formation. Due to bond formation, the enthalpy of adsorption is very high. So here we have discussed the characteristics of chemijolson. Before this, we discussed the characteristics of physijolson. So both chemijolson and physijolson characteristics we have studied.